Good morning friends, welcome back to yet another video on my English learning channel. Today the topic is very interesting. It's going to be a mix of my travel experiences, nature walk and exploring the nature and the river, the green planet that is with us. So let's try and learn some new phrases which you can use in your everyday English and improve your conversational spoken English and progress in your life. Come on, let's start. So this is a river. This is river Shishamara and the river is flowing. So the phrase is flowing, the river is flowing. I've come to walk and enjoy the beautiful sunrise at Shishamara. So as you can see, I'm standing on an embankment. That's the river and far ahead is the beautiful sunrise rising in front of the forest of Shishamara. So that's a beautiful sunrise. So these are plantations of betel nut. Betel nut is one type of food product. It's used in many consumer products in the market. So these are plantations of betel nut and with a mix of different species of trees, of course, but these primarily are the betel nut trees. Let's also learn some new phrases. So right in front of me, you can see, as I told you, the beautiful sunrise. Right now, the sun rays are piercing through the branches of the tree. Piercing. The sun rays are piercing through the branches of the tree. This means it's coming sharp ahead of the branches of the tree. It's piercing. It's piercing through the branches of the trees. So I've come to the riverbed of river Shishamara. So I'm walking on the riverbed right now. I'm walking on the riverbed. These are patches of white sand, or you can also say swaths of sand, but the easier word is patches. Patch of white sand on the riverbed of river Shishamara. So she is sitting on the banks of the river Shishamara. This is called the banks of the river. This is a stream coming out of river Shishamara, and she is sitting on the banks of river Shishamara on a patch of land which is filled with pebbles. These are the pebbles. She is sitting on a patch of land which is filled with pebbles on the banks of river Shishamara. Can you listen to the gushing sounds of the waves of river Shishamara? Gushing sound of the waves of river Shishamara. So right now, my friends, I am in a place called Joldapara in the north of state of West Bengal. This is a state in the eastern province or eastern region of India. I'm in the north of that state, very close to Joldapara National Park, and I have come here to spend a vacation to embrace the bounties of nature. So I'm embracing the bounties of nature, embracing the slow-paced nature walk, slow-paced walk of the views of the river Shishamara, listening to the sounds and chirpings of the bird, chirpings of the peacock, and also the gushing waves of the beautiful, mesmerizing river Shishamara flowing just beside me. This is called enjoying and embracing the bounties of nature. So my friends, one of the most interesting words of English is allure. So to describe my feelings of walking on the riverbed of River Shishamara in Jaldapara National Park, near Jaldapara National Park in north of West Bengal, I can say I'm attracted to the allure of nature. I'm attracted to the allure of wildlife. I'm attracted to nature as a whole. So that's the word, very interesting word and very rare word, very advanced word which you can use. Allure means you are attracted to something, something very positive, in a positive way, in a positive sense. So I'm attracted to the allure of nature, wildlife, forest. So try and use this word allure, A-L-L-U-R-E, in your vocabulary and conversational English in a context which suits you, and try and see how people react around you when you use the word allure. Let's walk in to my wife, where she is standing on the banks of River Shishamar and enjoying the gushing sound of the waves. She is also a true nature lover, just like me. And we've come out of our resort to enjoy the basking sunrise and enjoy the views of the River Shishamara and the Shishamara forest and wildlife right in front of our eyes. So we are basking in the morning sunrise in the mid of December 2025. Can you listen to the murmurs of the peacock? There are a lot of murmurs of the peacock, or chirpings of the peacock, coming straight out of the jungle, straight out of the forest of Shishamara. Try and listen to those chirpings. We've been waking up every morning in our stay here at Jaldapara Aranyak Resort, listening to the chirpings of the peacock. We've had a beautiful sighting as well of some of the peacocks right in front of our resort on the other side of the river. And it's an amazing feeling to be listening to these beautiful creatures of wildlife. Absolutely thrilling. So my friends, the forest of Shishamara, which you can see behind me, is famed for the one-horned rhinoceros, bisons, peacocks, wild pigs or boars, as many of them know them, and also a lot of interesting reptiles, snakes and other wild animals. So this is located in the north of the state of West Bengal, very close to Bagdogra International Airport. The Bagdogra International Airport is located around 150 kilometers from this place, and it will take a taxi or a car ride of approximately 4 hours to reach this place from Bagdogra International Airport. I could just now listen to the chirpings of the peacocks. So friends, I hope you've learned some new phrases, new words to improve and enhance your English language vocabulary. Try to use them in your everyday conversational English to improve your communicative English and progress in your life. There are more such interesting videos on English language, improving your English vocabulary and spoken English using simple, easy to use words and phrases and idioms. Try and use those words and idioms in your everyday life as much as you can. I hope you all the best in your spoken English journey. Till then, take care and do subscribe to my channel for more.